English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2. Afraid, follow, online. Afraid. Afraid is an adjective. A2 learners usually know afraid. At A2, afraid means frightened. It is also a way of disagreeing with someone, as well as telling someone bad news. Here are some examples. He is afraid of the dark. I'm afraid I disagree with you. I'm afraid we can't come to the party after all. Follow. Follow is a verb. A2 learners usually know follow. At A2, to follow is to move behind someone and go where they go. Here are some examples. I think I know the way. You can follow me. She followed her mother into the large kitchen. To reach the college, you should follow the main road. Online. Online is an adjective and an adverb. A2 learners usually know online. Online describes something done using the internet. Here are some examples. Lots of people do online banking nowadays. To get a ticket for the concert, you need to go online. Where did you get it? I ordered it online. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with afraid, follow and online. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR A2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.